Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Obapa Skinny. Today video I'm going to show you how you can DIY body butter for healthy skin. In this recipe we are going to use shea butter. Shea butter is very good for the skin. You also need infused mango oil. You can use any carrier oil of your choice, but I choose to use this mango oil because of the antioxidants in it. And also I will use mango butter, which is very good for skin building. The essential oils I'm using is peppermint essential oil, rose essential oil, and tangerine essential oil. All are also good for the skin. So you also need vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is very good for skin building or for clearing green veins. You add your shea butter, mango oil, and vitamin E oil into a glass bowl, a microwave bowl, into your glass bowl. This video was requested by Annie Akinwale. She asked me to make something for clearing green veins, and this is the best body butter to use to clear your green veins. Or if you have a thin skin, this is the best body butter you can use for skin building to get a healthy skin. So after you add all your ingredients, you melt the oil on a medium-low heat using double broiler method or a microwave, which I didn't show that part. Place in fridge for 25 minutes until it's looking like this. So you see, after 25 minutes, this is what I got. Please check out my second YouTube channel at Queen Mother DIY TV. I also have a lot of videos there. Add essential oils to the butters. So you add all the 3 essential oils to the butter, and you know the shea butters and all the butters that I'm using, including the oils, is very good for skin. So you whip with mixture until it becomes fluffy. So you keep whipping it until it becomes very fluffy. You see, when you are using product like skin lighting or skin whitening product, it's better that you do skin building at least 3 times in a week. What you do is, when you use your lighting lotion for maybe 4 days, the following 3 days you use only body butter or oils that are very good for skin building, so that always your skin will look healthy. Also prevents you from getting green veins. So this is the best way to do to maintain your color very healthy, like your skin tone look healthy without green veins. Most of the lighting or whitening products some of us use, it contains steroid, and some of the side effect of steroid is stretch marks and green veins. Some people too use lotion that doesn't contain, but they still get green veins. The reason is that they have a thin skin. Their skin is very thin, it's not thick. So as you keep doing bodybuilding or including bodybuilding in your routine, is going to help you build that healthy skin and that glowing skin. So you use this body butter 3 times in a week on your skin. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, and share my videos. Bye bye.
Let's go.